So first of all, let's try to measure the loss inside of this particular short segment of fiber here. So to do that, we first have to calibrate the power meter. So we're going to take the handheld laser and clean the end face here and plug it in to the power meter like so. Oh, let me just reset it real quick and see what we get. So there we go, so now it's zeroed out. So the total power coming in is negative 7.28 dBm, and right now we're measuring 0 decibels because I've normalized it. Alright, so to measure the loss inside of this fiber segment, we simply have to disconnect this one and then plug the fiber in. So let's do that. Oh, I think this one might be running out of tape, so just a moment, let me go and get another one. Alright, so I found another fiber cleaner. Usually you can actually see how much cleaning tape is left if you look at this, this little white indicator here. That's simply the tape spool where you can see how much is left. So anyway, we're gonna clean this one and plug it into the test fiber like so. And of course plug the other end into the power meter. Now I don't expect this can be very much loss here. It's probably going to be only maybe 0.1 decibels or something if I'm doing anything right. Alright, that seems about correct. That's what we have. We have negative 0.35 decibels. That's a tiny amount of power we're losing just from this fiber segment, which gets as expected. But sometimes when you have a fiber deployed out in the field for doing telecommunication or even remote sensing, which fiber optics is sometimes used for, it happens that you get a cut in the fiber. So this could happen because there's some construction that accidentally digs across the fiber and just like destroys it. Or it could be like an earthquake or some kind of disaster that ends up destroying the fiber. In any case, you can see now that we've cut the fiber into two pieces. We of course get no power over here. All the power gets lost. And good luck trying to just merge them together with your hands here. Can I actually do that? Let's see. No, I didn't think so. We don't get any power home. Okay, so when you have an electrical wire that gets cut, then it's a simple matter of just turning off the electricity and then using a soldering iron and some solder to actually merge the fiber, or the wire back together. But what do we do when we have a fiber optic cut? Well, in order to merge this fiber back together, we're going to need a fiber optic splicer like this device right here. So I'm going to show you how to use it in a moment. Stay tuned. Before we can actually plug the fiber into the splicer and merge it back together, we first have to do something very important, which is to add one of these things